give us some real-world ideas. For example, you talked about it briefly in Fast Money the other night. Why is Salesforce.com, CRM, a safe place for our viewers' money, even in the face of a trade war?
Yeah, so, I mean, when it comes to our tech positioning, we're definitely more defensive when it comes to our tech holdings. We prefer software companies over semis or hardware because within software, you're getting higher margin, recurring revenues. And with CRM, Salesforce in particular, they offer a service that make businesses across the United States, across the world, more efficient and more profitable. So there's been all this talk. I guess the bear case on Salesforce is if the economy starts to slow, are businesses going to cut this cost? And I would say absolutely not. Why would a business cut a cost that makes them more efficient and more profitable? These are all recurring revenues that Salesforce is pulling in. And in my opinion, they're essentially recession-proof revenues as well.
Yeah, and it's sort of a little bit gruesome, I guess, but I would imagine that surgery is recession-proof as well, and I assume that's one reason you like ISRG.
Yeah, so Intuitive Surgical, what you're seeing happening within surgery is robots are playing a bigger and bigger part because you can get a surgery done more efficiently with robotics. So Intuitive Surgical is one of the leaders in robotics. 70% of their revenue right now is recurring. And they've got this Da Vinci system that's right in the middle of an upgrade cycle. So everyone that has a system, they're now getting to the point where they're a bit aged, and it's time to begin upgrading those systems. So Intuitive Surgical, in my opinion, great play right now.
And if recession or slowdown hits, one thing we might all do is drive our car longer, beat it into the ground rather than buy a new car. And I would imagine that is also part of your O'Reilly Auto Parts thesis.
Love O'Reilly. Yeah, so as the economy slows, and we're not in the recession camp, so we do not think a recession is going to hit us within the next 12 months. I think we end up pulling through. I think the Fed does what they need to do to kind of save the day. But as the economy slows, fewer and fewer people are buying new cars, and they tend to opt to fix their current car. So O'Reilly would be our play as far as doing that goes.
I love it.